Hey everybody, Josh from Crappie Junction here. Sometimes accidents happen, and this one was a doozy. Let's check it out. So I don't think my JT rod is supposed to be like this. Um, that's a problem. But good for us. JT has a great warranty. I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to try and screenshot the process. It's pretty easy, and so let's go check that out downstairs. All right, here we are downstairs. So I'm starting from the beginning. So how about we take a look here? Go to Chrome, exit out of that. Okay, so we're gonna look up JTODP.com. There we go. Easy as that. So we're gonna go here. I think we go up here to resources, go to rod warranty. So that's what I need. Accident replacement program. That's awesome. So I've had my rod for several years now, so they do have a 1-year warranty, but beyond that, it shares the money right here with you. This is what it costs. So mine's a JTX, a 7.3 JTX Lite. So I'm gonna have to fork out 135, but that's a great deal. For the duration that you own the rod, or anybody that owns the rod. Here's the steps, 3 steps. So you buy the warranty. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click on the JTX 7.3 Lite here. We're going to go down, add to cart. Alright. They give you the option for shipping protection. I'm going to actually pick mine up on my way out to Minnesota. So we're going to check that off. And from there, you can put in and see how much you get flat rate shipping. There's other stuff, so we're gonna pick. We're gonna do pickup though. Yep, right here. There's that. I had actually already called JT Outdoor Products and made sure they had this rod in stock, so I can go and pick it up. And there you go. So that's that part. So if we go back. Replacement program. And then step 2, fill out the form. So we just go we're going to use Crappie Junction. Go rod type. 7.3 Lite, handle type. We had the split. We had the reel seat for open water rod. Rod color, neon green. So all of my rods are neon green. Emily's are the neon pink. That works out for us. Today's date, 8/8/2025. Ooh, date of purchase. I'm gonna have to say probably, I think it was 8. It was somewhere around the end of August in 21. So we gotta make sure we can get my picture here. So we got the broken rod right there. We're going to download that. Go back to here. Add the picture. Downloads. There's that. We're just going to thanks for the replacement. There you go. Submit. There you go. Your rod will be ready shortly. So once I go back and I fill out the stuff in my cart, we'll be ready to go. And hopefully that helps you navigate the rod warranty system. It's a great little system that they have put together. You know, if you have a bunch of JT ice rods, we have a bunch of JT ice rods. $50 to replace those ice rods, and you know how hard we are on those rods. So, you know, if just so you know, if you ever break something, they have this here ready for you. Great little program that they have, and hope this helps, and we hope to see you out on the water.